Hello my friends out there, I hope you are doing well. In today's lesson we shall be talking about this sound. We normally read it as sound ear, like in the words clear, fear, spear. But today we are going to talk about it in a special way. It has two sounds. One is ear and another one is sound er. So today we are going to look at words where we read it as sound er. Okay, let's look at words where we read sound er, not ear. Thank you.
Hurt, hurt, learn, off, earn, pal, search, heard. Now it's your turn. Were you able to read all words? That's great! Don't forget to subscribe in order to get more videos. Bye bye.